Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a banner for a website in Canva. Okay, so here before we start, a banner is a type of graphic or image that's mainly used for advertising, announcement, or highlighting important content on a website, social media page, or even in physical form. Okay, so these are the examples. So later on, we are going to use one of these templates right here. Okay, so to do that, the first thing that you should do here is you have to sign in or sign up for a Canva account. Okay, now to check your account, just simply click on this profile at the bottom left of your screen. That's right. And then in order for you to access all of the features here on Canva, is you have to subscribe to the Canva Pro. Okay, then once you have subscribed to the Canva Pro, you can now access all of the features here on Canva. Okay, so for example, this one, when you see this crown icon, this premium template is included with your Canva Pro plan. Okay, so it means that we have subscribed to the Canva Pro. So right here, just have to simply click on the create option once you have signed in to Canva. And then the next thing that you should do here is you just have to search for um, banner website. Okay, so just simply go here and then you can search for website banner or banner website. So let me just type in right here, website banner. Okay, and then when you click on enter, you'll be able to see here different results. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is to just select the template that we are going to use. So for example, this one. Okay, that's right. Okay, so here we have to see the correct size template. So you will find different styles like headers, hero banners, or ads. So for this one, I'm just going to use this landscape, and the size is 1000 by 500 mm. That's right. And now we are going to customize this template. Okay, so just simply click on this one. So right here, the first thing that we are going to do here is to change the background, add our own text, insert the elements, and then upload our brand assets. Okay, so let's start with changing the color of the background. Okay, so just simply click on the background, and then you have here now the background color at the top. So just simply click on it and then choose your color. So for example, this one. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is to add text or to change the words right here. Okay, so for example, the name of your company. So just simply erase this one if you don't have a name for your company, and then you just have to create this banner alone. Okay, so for example, let's change this to this month. That's right, and then you just have to adjust this section. Then you can resize this as well. Okay, and then you can also change here the discounts. So say for example, we only have 40% discount. That's right. And then here, of course, you have to upload your own image. So I'm not going to change this one, but to upload your own image, you just have to go here at the upload section. That's right. And then you just have to select your image. So for example, this one. So in order for you to remove the background, you just have to click on it and then click on the background remover. Okay, so you can use the background remover feature here on Canva if you have subscribed to a pro plan. So this is how it looks like right now. So I'm just going to remove this one. And then here you can also insert elements like icons, shapes, or logo. So you can go here on the element section, and then you can search here the element that you want to add. Then if you would like to add your brand assets, then you can go here on the brand section. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do now is to adjust the size, so if needed only. So the website banners usually range from 1920 by 600 pixels, okay, to 728 by 90 pixels. So you can also resize this in Canva Pro or create a custom size or create a custom size before starting. So you can go here at the top. So again, you have to subscribe to our pro plan so you can resize your banner, okay, or the size of your banner. So you just have to go here and then you can click on the custom size right here and then just type out your width, your height, and then your units. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is to make sure right here that the text are readable. So as you can see, all of our text right here are readable, so we're not going to change it. Now, of course, you have to make sure that the images aren't blurry. Okay, and then everything looks balanced. Okay, that is very important. Then the next thing that we are going to do here is to click on the download, this one at the top right of your screen. So just simply click on the share option. Okay, and then you have here now the download option. So here on the download option, you have the different file type. So we have the JPG, PNG. So this one is the suggested. So it's best for complex images, and then illustrations. You also have here PDF standard, PDF print, and then also have here the SVG, so best for web design and animations. We also have the MP4 video or gift. Okay, so now let's just go here on the element section. And then let's try to add another element. Okay, so for example, let's just go to the shapes. That's right. And I'm going to show you on how you can enhance this template. Okay, so let me just find the shape that I am looking for. So for example, this one right here. So you just have to click on it. And then after that, you just have to make sure that to change the color. Okay, so I think the perfect color for this one is this one. So I'll just try this color. After that, you just have to adjust the element. That's right. And then you can also resize this one right here. Okay, and then here you can also add your text. So just go here to the text. So we have this text style. So you just have to choose your what you think is the best for this element. Okay, and then after that, you just have to highlight the text so that you can change the color. Okay, so I think I'm just going to use white for this one. Okay, and then now you can type out right here your text. Okay, so once you're done again, you just have to click on the share option at the top right of your screen, and then just click on download, then click on the PNG file type, and then click on the download option. Okay, so once you're done, just have to save it on your computer. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then just click on save. So now let us view our banner. Okay, so just simply click on it, and this is how it looks like. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.